sun, Noah. The sunflower, sunny bee. Well, these are yellow flowers, my dear. So I'm picking you some flowers. As you know, Rora, flowers is a girl best friend. Them ask the picky. You have to draw them down like this. Yeah, Rora, these beautiful flowers. That's your hot girl, mama, your big child. Big child segment. Whoop, whoop. God say yes, God will bless it. Sandy and Bones TV. Tune into Sandy and Bones TV for the latest updates throughout the world. Sandy and Bones TV, crazy, never lazy. The Queen is here. Mwah! Respect to you, Mr. Amen. True respect to him. That's positive. Nice. Pick up your damn self down a mobile. Right, crazy. Let's keep it. Let's keep it. Hello.
Hi, Queenie. How you doing? Nothing much. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Do you know how long I wanted you to accept me?
God on time, baby girl. I want me.
I love you so much. You're a very nice lady. You don't have to follow all of what they're saying about you. Just ignore them. When you keep silent, they just drop up. When me ready, me tell them I feel me say left the woman a grudge no grudge her. Right, Fanny answer left the woman a grudge no grudge her. Queenie a nice woman. You're nice. You're nice woman, Miss Queenie. Don't worry about them. You hear what the guy just said? Oh, God bless, no man curse. And thank God you're not the worst.
Amen. Where you calling from?
I'm calling from Florida.
Florida.
Yeah, I'm living in Coral Springs. But I'm from Jamaica, Hanover, Lucy, Hanover.
Yes. God bless you, my dear. What's your name?
Yvette. So when I'm talking to your friend Yvette, me always say, oh, what for me, Miss Queenie talking? Say hi to my, I have another friend that her name is Vivette. See her over there, so.
Oh, Yvette. Yeah. You're not going to dance. It's a two Chinese split. Next to my darling. Thank you. Oh, God bless.
No, man.
Man curse. Thank God I'm not the worst.
The worst. Bless up yourself, Miss Queenie. And guess what? I am so impressed that you always talk about your daughter. That's very, 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 very impressive of you. And God never make a mistake. No. Anything that's happening in your life, God never make a mistake. You understand? Never make a mistake. No, listen. Tears are a language only God understands it. Don't worry yourself. Cry if you have to. Cry if you have to. Don't worry about what people want to say. Don't worry about what people want to do. You do you.
I them worry about me. I don't worry about this. None of them when I'm a class out them done when them trouble me. Because me now go call my bed and can't sleep because people have to arbor things. So the whole of we have the arborness and then we can't sleep.
Let me tell you something, Queenie. You know, sometimes I feel lash out. Because sometimes when them bother me lash out and talk. Me ease my mind. You ease your mind when you talk. You know, I feel all of them. You ease your mind when you talk.
You know? Peacefully, I'm free.
And exactly. So you don't worry yourself about the world. The world, you have one side that love you, and you have another little bit of them what hate you.
Yeah, they must hate me. It's in a game. Everybody can love.
Everybody can love you. Everybody's always someone's fool. All me.
Yeah, don't mind
all them. Me.
Because
we don't mind them. Because guess what? Nobody can cross it for you. Nobody cannot cross it for you.
I see that what people don't understand. Everything is a moment at time. If you eat, it's a moment at time. If you are sick, it's a moment at time. If you are peace, you can't be so peaceful like you go to a road and a man lick your car and it upset you. So, if you love somebody, it's a moment at time. If you're upset with everything, it's a moment at time. Me
tell people like when me put on me short shorts and they oh you off your shot so short, Mister. Guess what? I do me, and I am pleased what I do to myself. I mean, I don't have to answer to nobody. Guess what?
If my dress sexy, them beat me. If my dress like all of my what's my I'm a nice skirt.
Listen,
like a big schoolers, and then
my friend Yvette say fuck them. You're nice. Are you name Queenie? Burn up the herb and burn them out. Burn them out. Go away. Go away. Then go and you name the queen. Queen of all queens.
Queen of all. I told them. They don't listen. I'm all purpose. You have to get the good, the bad, the sour,
and the ugly,
the disgusting, the annoying, the careful, the everything. I am all purpose.
I know.
Every day for happy for please them. And my life must my life cannot be perfect.
Hey, you know some of them what they bother you about your life, see them life, if you fi eerie. If you fi eerie, Queenie, you would have ball for them.
Never have a life, that's why they have my life. Anyone is bash me. They do not have a relationship because sometimes your kids them not get along. Sometimes your own mother not get along. Sometimes your own papa not get along.
Take along.
Them tell me say every day I forget about just get along. Get for them happy. And when me say the one of them want condemn me, I can't type them up in a mistake.
Hey, guess listen to me. You know what I love? The other day I went to Jamaica. I don't know if you were in Kingston or what, but you went to a school and you visit the little children them and they're so happy to meet them. I say, look at that. I say, the good things what Queenie do, they're not even, they say, boy, Queenie, that was so nice. Then just
I'm going to Jamaica school to them, see me?
And then, I was watching you. I was watching that. And I said that is such a nice, because you're a mother and you know what it's like to love kids.
Thank you. It's true.
Honey, you're nice. I come to Florida, make me come to one concert where they do. Me well want to come to Florida. Me they beg you to come to Florida.
Himself, yeah? Girl power, Queenie.
Girls power every time.
Push the power where I show up. Big up on the dance. Woman Jesus. Listen to me, woman Jesus. Them have to crucify me upon the land.
Guess what?
Baby, enough people them crucify me. Let me have
Remember, Queenie, when God walked on earth, always remember this, and I always tell this to my friends. When God walked on this earth in the past, remember, said the same people and want help, the same people and want feed, the same people and want heal, like them crucify him. Remember when he stood around the table and he said, the blood they run cold, and he said, one of you here is going to betray me. And the same one said, oh, Lord, is it me? And God never have 7 puppy. The same one who they ask the question at him, when in there they tell the stitch on God. So,
yes.
Judas. So guess what? The only thing I have to say, no, because just said to him, said, well, I don't know, everyone I don't know what they banter me, who know Judas.
True.
Each and every one of you are Judas. And guess what? Them sit down and they talk about God, and God still turn on and heal them.
Where them that's somebody. Where the baby? Oh, stop comparing Jesus. I want to compare you with you. You gone out from a page. Come back for your fake page. Max Q. Where? Black.
Don't worry yourself, yeah. Our power we say. Girls power.
Put the power where I shower every hour. Big up on the damn self. Let's up here. Thank you.
All right, Queenie. Take care. Bye-bye.